Let's use the cubes to make different number bonds of 7. Seven and 0 make 7. Let's swap a blue cube for a green cube. 6 and 1 make 7. Let's swap some more blue cubes for green cubes. Can you say this number bond? Yes. 4 and 3 make 7. Try this one. Three and 4 make 7. Let's swap another blue cube for a green cube. Can you say this number bond? That's right. 2 and 5 make 7. Now let's swap a couple more blue cubes for green cubes. 0 and 7 make 7. Here are some number bonds of 7. Now it's your turn. Use multi-link cubes to create your own number bonds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.